Hey guys, I'm here at Best Ever Conference, and I just met the very first person to buy a copy of the Rich Dad Poor Dad book. I'm going to give you guys what you really want. Let's go check out this van.
Let's do it. Let's go to Cabo.
All right, let's go to Cabo. You guys ready? We've at least 5x what we were capable of.
Yeah.
And you planted the seed.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Get educated.
Take care of the residents. They're the ones that put money in your pocket and your investor's pocket.
Three months free to our mastermind, much more than 30 minutes. Here we go. Sophia Wang, congratulations.
Folks here at Derosa Group, and we're really excited to be talking to you guys about a partner hunting event tonight. We're going to be talking about 4 different multifamily superpowers here. You're going to be building your teams tonight and networking with people based on which of these superpowers speak to you.
But we want you to take advantage of this opportunity and maybe find a partner, maybe find some people that can give you some tips and support in the market that you're looking at.
There are some metrics that we use to share with you to identify what makes an attractive partner.